All right. Secret project going on behind us, so I got to keep you looking in this direction because I can't be blowing it at this point. September 21st, a couple days, me and Chuck are going to run off to Pittsburgh. And yeah, I got to watch what I'm doing with the camera. Me and Chuck will be off to Pittsburgh just for the day for Friday to pick up some stuff from John and to pick up an NEK seat for the CIK 125 that we bought from Larry Rumsey that we're going to completely refurbish. But in the meantime, did some work on the project there, and while we're waiting, it's, you know, hurry up and wait kind of thing, doing fiberglass and made new mounts for the tank. We got the tank moved all the way over just far enough to get the side panel down in there. As you can see, we gained a whole inch of width. Rich is going to tack these on here and then take the tank to work with them and weld it at work. He's more comfortable with the big machine at work, which is fine. It's all good. We see, obviously, from the other videos we showed you, we're working on little chain guard, belt guard, armrest, back guard program. Me and Rich just did a little debriefing on that as well about what we should be doing. And I think what I'm going to end up doing here is starting at the bottom where that tape line is, some aluminum angle, probably bolting right through, and another short little piece of aluminum angle behind it, this way and up on the back side of the hoses, and then the other one will be on, you know, our panel will come right in on the front side of the hoses. We want to encapsulate, sandwich those hoses between immovable objects so they can't get into the chain and they can't, you know, get loose and you know, heat up our body or whatever if we're trying to get some rides in this thing. So all this, we got 4 weeks starting next Monday. 4 weeks before all this stuff has to be done to get it to, that'll be Monday before Grattan, the 22nd of October. So yeah, we better just turn this way. And it's got a wide lens. I probably already blew it. But there you go. We're working on things. I mean, just every minute we've got, we got something in our hands. We're trying to get something going. That's all we got for you.